Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to install an aftermarket side skirt on this 5th generation Honda Prelude. I'm going to show you how to remove the stock side skirt that the car comes with, and then I'm going to show you how to sand, paint, and install the new side skirt onto the car. So let's get started. So there are 3 screws that are going to be removed because they hold the side skirt in place. So we have one here, we have this one, and we have this one right here. So I'm going to start by removing all 3 of them, and then also there's going to be clips holding this side skirt onto the car from the bottom. So we're going to have to pull on the side skirt and remove those. So as you can see, you can remove the 3rd screw, but the 3rd screw basically holds this fender, inner fender, to the fender itself. So you can just remove these 2 bottom bolts and then you should be fine. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys exactly what this looks like under here. This is the side skirt, and this is one of the plastic clips that hold it on to the car from the bottom. So it's not a screw, it's a plastic clip. You can either reuse it if it's still not broken, but if you break it, you should use a new one. I recommend using a new one anyways. So there's this one, there's another one here, and then there's also a 3rd one around here. There's also one there. So you have to remove all 3 of them, and then you should get closer to removing the side skirt off the car. There's also a 4th clip here, so it wasn't 3, it was actually 4. Okay, so I removed the 1st clip, which is pretty hard to get out. I think actually, no, look, the rubber is broken, but the clip itself is not broken. So I can see that you have to slide the side skirt, so it slides this way. So when you bolt it, you have to slide it in and it locks into place. So we're gonna push it forward and see if that releases it from the remaining clips. Okay, so I was able to remove the side skirt. So this is what the car looks like without a side skirt, which is pretty obviously looks like it's missing something because the side skirt is not there, but at least this is not rusted. And what I was explaining about the clips is that, so you can see basically the pattern here, so you can see where the clip would go into. So when you turn this around, you basically would have to install it like this. So you install it like this, and then you move it back like that, so it can lock into each one of these clips. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 with this one, and there was also one here, 5. So 6 with this one. There's 6 clips, and if you try and like just pull on it, you might be able to remove the side skirt, but you can also break it and break some clips. So it's better to do it the right way. Again, you push it forward this way after you release the clips from the bottom, then you should be fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna sand this side skirt and the other one as well with 600 grit sandpaper. This is gonna be a dry sand. So after you sand, you should always wipe down the surface with alcohol just to clean off what you sanded. And just to make sure it's clean before you apply paint, because if not, that's gonna show below the paint. You're gonna be painting over the dirty surface, and it's gonna show over the paint itself. So next, what we're gonna do is put this 3M double-sided tape. We're gonna put it on, basically on the inside of this lining, all the way down. That's going to tape this side skirt to this metal part of the vehicle. So basically the door seal. That's also gonna help it better install, a better clean line, and it's also gonna help add support and hold the side skirt to the car. So that's what we're gonna do first. I did wipe this down with alcohol, so we have a clean surface on the side skirt and on the door seal as well. Alright guys, this is basically what the car looks like with the side skirts on. So as you can see, this is what the side skirt looks like when it's installed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.